Want to know how to whiten your teeth at home? Then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. Today I will share with you this HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System. So a quick background, I did this for 7 days. 7 days only to see the effectivity of the product. And of course, I'm gonna share with you guys the before and after so you can really see the difference. Okay, so for this product, what is this HydroWhite Home Teeth Whitening Kit? So this is an all-in-one system that uses gentle light to whiten your teeth, especially for those who have, sensitive teeth. So again, I use this at home, so it is really easy to use. And on top of that, they don't use harsh chemicals for the gel that you put on your teeth. Okay, so for the benefits, aside that it is for teeth whitening, it is for gum care also. So as you can see here in the box, the blue one, the blue light, is for teeth whitening and the red one is for the gums. So it also takes good care of your gums. Okay, so this claims that it will whiten your teeth 9 times lighter at the comfort of your home. So again, the main benefits, it whitens your teeth. For gum care, it is safe to use. And of course, this is premium quality. So they make sure that the gel or the chemicals that they use for your teeth is not harmful. Okay, so now let's open the kit. Okay, so the kit includes this shade guide, the user manual, which is this one. You can see it's back to back, so you will see here how to use, how to properly take care of the product also. Then of course the mouthpiece, which is this one, and the charger because you have to charge it. So what I like about this one also, it's wireless, so you can do anything you want while waiting for the timer to stop, right? So, and of course the gel pen. So again, that's it for the kit. Okay, so now let's discuss on how to use the product. So you will only need to remember 6 things. Just 6, okay? So first, the first one is to rinse your mouth and to rinse the mouthpiece before using it. Second is you will need the shade guide because of course you want to compare and see for yourself if it is effective. So you need to take lots of photos if you want, and then you can just put the shade guide on top of your teeth here. So before, as you can see in the video, in day 1, I'm in shade number 4. So you can also input the date of your first day, and then you can check the box here, the before and after. After that, you will need to get your gel pen. This is how the gel pen looks like. It's like a brush. So you just have to open this one and then twist the bottom so that the gel will come out. So you will be given 4 gel pens in this kit. Okay, so to apply the gel pen, you just have to apply it up and down. So usually I start on top first and then I do the bottom afterwards. But take note to not put on too much gel and also avoid putting it directly onto your gums. So only to your teeth, okay? So just be careful. Alright, so once you're done applying the gel to your teeth, make sure you do the E like this. Make sure the upper and lower part of your teeth is showing so that again the gel will not touch your lips. So now the 4th step is to get the mouthpiece. So the first time I use this, charge it first so it will not interrupt my usage, right? So as you can see here, you can charge it. It's like a smiley face here in the middle. So if it is not fully charged yet, it is color red. When it is fully charged already, it will turn to color green. Okay, so assuming that you charge your mouthpiece already, you just have to put it in your mouth. Don't turn on the light yet. And then bite the mouthpiece. And then after that, that's the time that you will turn on the blue light. So before putting in the mouthpiece to your mouth, make sure to take deep breaths to decrease the saliva production. Okay, so again, the blue light is for teeth whitening. So it will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. Then after that, you can change the color of the light to make it blue and red for another 10 minutes of treatment for your gum care. Okay, and then after that, once the timer is done, you just have to take it out. You can rinse your mouthpiece and of course your mouth with water, and then you can just wipe it with a tissue, like for me, after to make sure it is clean and dry. You can take off the mouthpiece for easier cleaning also. And then lastly, make sure to not eat or drink for 30 minutes after your treatment, so for better results. So that's that's it. That's how easy to use the HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening at home. So for me, in my case, to really show you guys how it looks like, I film this every lunchtime. So, you know, I have work and my only break time to do this and to film this with you is during lunchtime. Of course, before using this, I brush my teeth, I floss, and then that's the time that I use this teeth whitening. Okay, so now let's move on to the before and after result of my teeth. And again, as mentioned, in my day 1, I am at shade 4. So, basing off on the shade guide. So again, you just put it on top of your teeth or closer to your teeth to see what shade you guys are in. And then after that, you can see in my day 2 and at the same time also during lunchtime. And then this is how my day 3 looks like, the top and bottom of my teeth. And then here's my day 4. Hi everyone, it's my 4th day in using the premium teeth whitening of HydroWhite. And before, in my day 1, I was in number 4. Like, the shade of my teeth is number 4. But now I can observe that it's, I think it's 3 now. You guys should see here in the video with a close-up look in my teeth with this shade guide. And yeah, and what I observe also is that the upper part of my teeth, like this one, it's not that yellowish anymore. Well, my teeth is not that yellowish, but yeah, it improved the shades. So yeah, that's a day 4 update. And I'm gonna give you guys the final updates on day 7. So, and then day 5, and then day 6, and lastly, of course, the day 7. So for the whole 7 days, I observed that my teeth got lighter. I believe I'm in, well, I believe I'm in 2 or 3 already. As you can see, this is my 7th. Here you go. Okay, you wanna zoom in? Let's zoom in. Okay, let's go. There. So that's my teeth, top and bottom. So as you can see, what I mainly observed is I have a yellow, I mean, the shade of my teeth is not the same like on top here and on like in the bottom, like it's lighter at the bottom. But when I use this product, look, it's the same shade already, it's white. And then on the other side also. It's so hard to talk when you're showing your teeth. Okay, anyway, so this is how it looks like. Now, on my 7th, so let's zoom out. Zoom out! Okay, so I'm really happy that this product is effective. Again, this is not clickbait for you guys because, of course, I know you guys are watching this video to know how you want to whiten your teeth also. So yeah, you can see it for yourself. You can try it. You can take photos of your teeth. It helps when you're taking photos at the same time of the day and then ask other people to track your progress also. Like for me, I asked my parents like what shade am I in at this day, and then they observe also that, you know, I'm in shade 3 or 2. That for me, that's a big change already given that it's only 7 days, right? Alright, so if you guys are interested to purchase this product, you can find them in Shopee and Lazada. And you can even read the ratings there. It's around 4.9 stars with around 1K plus sold. So you know me, before checking or buying anything, I read the reviews first, of course. So yeah, again, this is my day 1 and day 7. So that's it. If you have more questions, you can always refer to the user manual or message the seller in their e-commerce platforms. And if you were to ask me if I will keep using this, yes, of course. So that is it for today's video, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!